So one more request that popped up in DM was actually it was basic block, right? So for that particular design I have to think of like layout that has, see, left or right facing sidebar and some minimal layout, the top navigation bar and the footer, along with some of the options for, say, blocks like social blocks and so on. So let me type the query, see if we can use it within minimal amount of queries. That would be good. So you can see design block front end, which is like can make it static or dynamic. Say block front end with database as such. Or let's see something like for cloud database, just basic 3 blog posts and top navigation, scroll, animated scroll, right, footer and sidebar. So the sidebar part we can explain like sidebar to the right, use your speculation for blocks around the front end. Okay, make it single page that allows expansion of blog post when clicked, right? And we can also see placeholder images used all over where required, right? Use less amount of credits as possible to design, right? So unless you have enough credits to design in depth, I add such query at the end to make it easier, right? So we'll go through our own query before we can optimize and run it. So we are designing a block front end with no need for any cloud database as such, right? So think of it like static site actually with bunch of posts. Then you have like 3 posts, top navigation and animated scroll, the footer, and to the right side of this part is going to be a sidebar, right? We can let it speculate on the blocks around that front end, right? Then this should be a single page experience where we allow expansion of blog post when clicked on read more or something, and we can use placeholder images just to keep things attractive, right? And all of this should use less amount of credits. So we run this, let's see how it goes, right? The amount of credits here, it should take at least 1.5 to 7, etc. And I am stopping the query specifically at the cloud save part because we don't want that. We don't need any cloud features. So if we scroll and see what it is doing, okay, so there will be aesthetic approach, professional blue, purple gradient ascent, smooth scroll, card based layout, model style expansion, and images in respective blocks. Okay, then top navigation is there, hero section, 3 blog postcards, right sidebar, footer with social links, and click to expand. Okay, so I didn't mention any design system color palettes. So in that case, what you can do is there is Adobe's Express color palette or something generator that you can use for the suggestion part. So during selection of particular brand colors, you can use from that palette. That also works. Okay, and when it finishes the design, it should show you the finished notification along with that bell sound. So as you can see, it used 1.2 credits and 1.9 are remained for us now. Let me close the sidebar and see. Here you can see it created its own niche and created the blog landing. Okay, top navigation you can see articles, about, contacts, subscribe. Okay, fair enough. So here you see, if we click on read more, it should open the modal approach, so it will show the content immediately. No need to run this again. Now the problem is with the escape part, right? So it is not having that part, so we'll have to open this in new page. And here you see, apart from that problem, you can see we have categories, recent post. These two are kind of fixed. If you want them to move along with the scroll, you will have to wait for the end or the top. That is okay. So footer area is also done, and then there is this particular social links in the bottom and internal links categories, right? Then there is hero section, right? So we can change this message along with the tagline below, and that also works out. So we made this with Lovable actually, and with the less amount of tokens. You can see 1.9 left, 1.2 being used.